Hi, my name is Dan Woodman and I'm the founder of LeadingLabor.com, and I'm very proud to be affiliated with Labor Rising. I put together Leading Labor with one goal in mind, and that is to take advantage of technology. After speaking to hundreds of labor leaders in class, what I found was technology is often lacking in a union environment. You're spending money on technology, but you're not getting your money's worth, and I want to change that. So one of the first packages that I put together is a communication platform.
They say a picture's worth 1,000 words, but that doesn't seem nearly enough to be able to communicate how incredibly powerful our texting platform is. But because I only have a couple of minutes, I'm going to go through it kind of fast. What I've done is put together an interactive demo so that you can really get a feel for how this works. So before we get started, I just want to walk through the fine print. You're going to receive 5 messages over the course of this demo. Normal text rates apply, so if you have an unlimited texting plan, you're not going to pay for these. We're not going to use your phone number for anything else, so don't think that you're going to keep getting texts into the future. It's not going to work like that. We're only using for this demo. So what I want you to do is text LL Demo to 63975. That's the phone number, 63975. So go into your messaging, hit new, type in 63975 as the number, LL Demo as the message, or if you have a QR code reader, you can use it. It will generate that text for you automatically. Go ahead and hit send. And when you do, you're going to get a text back in response almost instantaneously. And texting is almost instantaneous. It's also very inexpensive, especially compared to traditional methods like U.S. mail. And it's effective. 91% of texts are read within 5 minutes. And it's something that most of your members are already doing. We're just going to adapt it for our purposes. So one of the great things about our platform is the ability to create groups. So you don't have to text everybody all the time. You can set up groups for all kinds of different things. So you could set up a group obviously for all your members. So when you do want to text everyone, you can, but then you could text based on who lives in what city. So if you have their addresses, you could put them into a group. Maybe everybody that lives in this city needs to get a text about something. You could put your e-board in, your apprentices, your retirees, whatever you want to do, however you want to create those groups. And that's one of the things that we're going to do during the setup phase is really help you understand how to take advantage of groups and how to set those up. With texting, it seems like it's always right now, like you hit the send button and bam, it goes out. But that's only part of the equation. The other part of the equation is with our platform, you can actually schedule it for later as well. So let's take your meetings, for instance. You could, at the beginning of the year, once you know your meeting schedule for the whole year, you could set up a reminder for those meetings for the whole year. Get it all out of the way at one time and not have to think about it again and have those reminders automatically go out and remind people to come to the meeting. So really powerful, and it makes it really easy for whoever's doing that work. You can conduct a survey on our platform. You can have multiple choice answers. You could take a vote. So there's a lot of feedback that you can get, but I want to make this clear. It's not like a regular text. You only get feedback when you ask for it. So otherwise, if you don't ask for it, when people try and text you back, it doesn't go anywhere. So you're not inviting a conversation every time you send one of these out. If you get the same questions over and over again, you could actually use an autoresponder to allow some self-service. So you could set up a list with some different keywords and people could text in and get automatic responses back. That's actually what I'm using right now to send you these texts during the demo. So you're also not limited by the short nature of a text message. So a text message is only 160 characters, but if you have more information to share, you can put a URL right in the text and send them directly to a website. And I've actually done that in this text. You should have just gotten my mobile website, and you can just click that link and go right to it. And that mobile website actually has more information about the texting platform. It has pricing, and it has more information about the communication platform as a whole, which is actually texting, email, and smartphone apps. So there's both pieces of information in there just about the texting plan and about the what I call the total solution. So I invite you to take a look at it. If you have any questions, there's a contact us form on that sheet or on that mobile website. There's a sheet you can fill out on there. Or, if you just want to give me a call, here's all my information right here. It's also going to come to you in a text in just a couple of minutes. So I encourage you, if you have any questions, to feel free to give me a call, send me an email, whatever works for you. I would be happy to answer your questions, talk to you about a custom solution, or anything else I can do. My job here is to make sure that you are getting the most out of your technology, and I really want to make that happen. So thank you for watching the video, and I look forward to hearing from you.